all you've got to see for this trick is my hands, and that's all. Don't be distracted by the box. Just look at those cards, look at my hands, look at what my hands are doing all the time. You see my favourite card, the Ace of Spades. I place it on the top, flip it over. Just look at my hands, I'm placing it right into the centre of the pack. Just like that. Place it in the centre of the pack. Now I'm going to give the pack one quick cut. Just like so. Now I'm going to cut to the Ace of Spades. Are you ready? Watch. Just a roundabout. There. I shot it out from the centre. It's the Ace of Spades. That's how to cheat in poker. I'm going to teach that very neat trick. See you guys, if you want a tutorial, leave a like and obviously subscribe. If you want more tricks, and also obviously if you want more performances and more tutorials, so just subscribe for more content like this. See ya, bye.